but you guys should be here. This is an 100 out of 100. Are you ready? Cause I'm ready.
Cabo 2023, if you're not here right now, there's nothing better you could possibly be doing. You gotta be here at Cabo. I mean, there's really no other thing to do on a day like this.
This trip, I've done this trip for 4 years now. This is the best trip. It's the most amazing trip. This area is beautiful.
Yes, sir!
You should be here.
Hashtag you belong here, Power Max, baby!
A traveling country club. People from different cities, different states, different countries. Now that we're international, and it really creates a culture where we can do this all around the globe.
Come join us next year for another fabulous time.
You're not here in Cabo San Lucas with us, you're just not part of the greatest team in the world. Come join the Xpirience. So next year, you can be here with us having a great time.
Beautiful resort. We got the sky pool reserved for us.